Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, well, it's kind of been a little bunched up over time, and we're gonna mash all this together to create a video. First off, I'm gonna go back to when I came back from the trip where MJ flipped her Jeep and my auxiliary fuel pump quit working. So we're gonna have a look how I took care of that. Fuel transfer pump isn't working. So when I trace the wire in, it comes to this fuse tap here, and this is where we need to start looking. This is where I need to turn it on. I'm pumping. Yeah, last night all I did was just wiggle this wire and started working. So there's something definitely up here. Touch the wire, it'll start pumping, and we stopped. See that? We need to investigate. Let's pull this up. Get this up out of the way. Is it possible that the wire is broken somewhere? That's a big question, right? So I transferred a bunch of fuel over for now, but the problem definitely lies in here. So it comes through that hole, and there's like a sharp bend, and I think over time, with vibrations, that the wires probably just snap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down to Princess Auto, and I'm going to get a fuse wire system or a fuse block, I don't know what you want to call it, inline fuse, and we're going to get rid of this jumper here, and we're going to put a fuse in the line and run it directly to the Genesis off-road, and that way we should be able to eliminate any of those issues. So I need to get the terminal. It's gonna be decent size. Actually, I could just go to one of these pins there. So that's where I'm gonna be for right now. So I'm gonna make sure this wire. I'm just gonna make sure that wire's not pinched, and then we'll deal with this later. It should just fit. Princess Auto has firearm safes on sale for $2.99, and there's one left, so I'm gonna go see if they still have it. And it fits. All right, got the safe. I can cruise home. Look at that. Here I am. Drag the safe down into the basement. Another couple months, start getting some firearms to fill it up. Did this safe pass your inspection, Carmen's? Did it? Did it pass your inspections? Are you just gonna play with your catnip toys now? Is that what you're gonna do? Kind of feeling guilty and just getting the smoker fired up for the first time this year, and haven't had a chance to use it. I've been so much using the pellet grill. This I picked up from Bass Pro probably like 10 years ago now. It works great. I just need to use it more. Oh yeah, let's have a look inside. How everything's looking. Oh yeah. Those look delicious. Well, hello there, Miss Carmens. How are you? Are you just resting in your cat tree, wanting to attack? Is that what your signature move is, attack? Is that it? Are you suffering from petting aggression? Is that what you're doing? Are you suffering? Hey, what are you doing? What's a kitty like you do today? Hey, attack, attack. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Do you want to say hi to the people? Do you? Do you want to say hi to the people, Miss Carmens? The safety wire held up good. So that's a positive sign. Just getting everything set up here, and ideally what you want to do is you always want to run your fuse the closest to your power source, which in this case will be the battery. You don't want it all the way down the line, because that way, if a short happens before that, the fuse or the wire could burn and start a fire. It's always closest to the source. I'm going to put my heat shrink on, and I'm going to crimp it like such. So now I'm going to put this jumper wire on because I don't know how much I need. So I'm going to take this out. So I have it out and put the 20 amp fuse back in. Then I'm going to terminate this line up further and then connect to it. There's one fuse, and hopefully this one here will come out easier. Perfect. Let's cut that out. Oh shit, I just cut the wrong wire. Oh fuck. So this could actually be where the problem is from. Let's cut the other side of that off. This might actually still be good. So this was the culprit that was suspected causing issues, but it could have actually been this butt connector slice too. Either way, we just cut it all out and we're going to solder a new wire in. Somehow connected. You can tell it's good because the red light's on. That's to tell you the fuse is blowing. So if I put this in, the fuse will, the light will go out. It's a good way to tell now in the future. Let's close that back up, and then get that all closed up. Make sure wire shit's out of the way. There we are, powered up. Shouldn't have no more issues now. That project's taken care of and done. Yeah, that really would have sucked if I was somewhere out in the bush and I really needed to transfer fuel but couldn't. Glad it's up and going. So I just picked up this from Amazon to do some shooting. Another reason why I'm taking the JK is TJ's too small to fit all this in while I'm camping. There's going to be a little bit of assembly required. That should work out all right. And then normally I take the TJ out with the trailer, but we're changing that up today. Just getting things packed up, but I have an idea with the trailer. I just did some more fiberglass patching and they held out good over the summertime, but another one show up right there where it's starting to delaminate or whatever. So next spring I'm going to strip the trailer, sand down the wood, and do like a light layer of fiberglass over top of all the wood, and then I should be good. I did have the cover off last time it rained, and the visor kind of leaked, but it came down to is that the water was coming through all the little screw holes that weren't sealed. So I covered them all up and tested out in the rain again, and didn't leak, so no more leaks. You can see the debris from rocks and stuff. And probably gonna do something with these fenders to replace them or build new ones or something. This should be enough wood for one night, at least to smoke a cigar. Good old Princess Auto toolbox, been holding out pretty well. It was a good deal. I think I got the only one that was available at Southeast Calgary, and it's a big change for my last box. Well, I haven't had much luck with these sours, so we're gonna just crack it open just slowly, because they seem to want to foam out like a motherfucker. Oh, maybe this one's gonna be calm. It wants to. As soon as the oxygen hits it. Alright, motherfucking beer time. Shut it down. It's kind of a mixed up video, but we got big projects that are coming down the line in the future. And yeah, all those little shots, clips didn't really have a home, but now they do. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Motherfucking beer time. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go have a fire. Nice night for a fire and a beer. But these days are coming to an end soon. Just gonna be snow on the ground very shortly.